Sharing the latest changes here. So in the run check requirements, if you go to import CSV, you also have a magic button here that will download a CSV that you can open and check out that has 8 requirements sourced from a variety of different um, uh, standards for this adaptive headlight system. If you continue, we will classify all of them and tell you about. You'll see one of these change. Why you are not one of the other types. So it takes a minute to do that, and we get that feedback back. Um, and cool. And COSI linting will give us our typical response. You see the requirements persist at the top now, and when we get a response and we um, uh, see the headers on each classification, we can adopt those. So you can see, yeah, there are some, there's express a single discrete need. That's all good. It can be divided into individual requirements, so that's not bad. Here's a suggestion on that. Optimal illumination, dazzling, we have multiple interpretations. That's all good. So you get all of the stuff you need, and you get a rewrite that you can apply that changes that are here. Okay, so we can continue on now. You can see all the other types are deselected. You can select one that you particularly want to use, FMEA. You can either use the generate FMEA feature, which will now support everything we did before, or if you give us an existing FMEA, then we can trace into the place we want to. So that happens right down here. Let's take a look. So when we upload it, takes a minute. You get the whole FMEA data preview, and you can select the particular entry to trace against. So this one is a machine learning pipeline step. It's an FMEA item, so we just select a row to trace into. So just for the sake of it, we can say that this one is collect data requests. And so we'll leave that, and that trace will be persistent. Then we proceed through conflicts. There are some missing measurables on different items there. That's all good to consider. And we finally get to export. So let's save those requirements and take a look at some of the other new items. So let me see, trace tab, go see linting. That's about it. So we'll one of the last things we'll do before entering full release freeze mode is we will add the ability to select explicit focus elements when running an FMEA, and you will be able to select the type of requirement that you want to, or item you want to generate a VME plan for, and you'll be able to see a whole bunch of GSM SPIs. So those will be the last things that we'll send over, and then we'll send an actual full video for the presentation.